Hello. Today I will present information about vinyl records. When they appeared, it was officially introduced in 1948 by the Columbia Records Company in the United States as a much improved evolution of the previous 78 RPM records, where they store the music. The record assumes that is placed on a kind of late that breathed and draw the use of especially metal made of sulfur or diamond. These abbreviations are printed on the disc in the form of groups with different depth and location, which also defines the speed and other aspects. Before the process was carried on manually, also known as acoustic, but modern vinyl records as an electrical system that, in addition to automatic, the recording could achieve better results in terms of equalization and volume. Once a disc is recorded, it is subject a washing process and then mineral coating are applied. How they reproduce the music?
Aquí ya sabemos la respuesta. Hay una
To learn more about the secret of the sound of this product, it is time to know how it's generated. To begin with, we are going to see how each of these vinyl records is made. If we had a microscope and placed it on a surface the disc, we would see how it has a series of small grooves on it. These grooves have been previously printed by means of succinylate mester. The mester is nothing more than a metal disc with the form print in negative of the surface so that when it is placed on the hot vinyl, those grooves are generated on the vinyl disc. These grooves are one of the most important elements when it comes to playing the music stored of the disc, since they are the ones that allow the needle of the product to move and capture the vibration present. This is the main secret of the record player, the ability of the needle to perceive this vibration through the rotation of the record. This is where the sound will be generated out this most primitive form. However, it is important to keep in mind that the way the disc is printed is three-dimensional, which is probably one of the secrets when it comes achieving that high quality sound that characterizes this product. Advantage that technique behind a vinyl record is very simple and therefore more durable, but in terms of the duration of the support and the technology capable of playing the record, and you can buy a ready record player with few materials. Some vinyl records are mastered with better dynamics. Disadvantage: vinyl records are very easy to damage during playback. It is relatively inconvenient. At age start of listening to obtain maximum quality, both the record, Daniel, or the reading hit must be client of dust. Your opinion giving to reason. In my opinion, vinyl records are aesthetically better than CDs. In my opinion, vinyl is harder to maintain than CDs. Thanks.